And the first question of paper 42 economics could be more related to coronavirus, because but often it doesn't happen that they take pretty old newspaper articles and then they share it research articles. Okay, so this is one of those questions because quantitative easing also happened this year as well. So this that is the reason I am saying, because like every country had followed this quantitative easing during the pandemic coronavirus. So it's on the cards, and oil prices have dropped a lot as well at the earlier start of 2020. So this is February March 1942. So this go through this, right, and go through the HDI index and each and everything, inflation, macroeconomic concepts. Okay, healthy banking system is needed, and fall in prices of oil, analyze whether the evidence. So each and every this complete case study, right? They have also written the sources from where they have taken these sources, right, from Ford articles. So similarly, this year as well, if you go through 2020, mostly it happens that previous 6 months data they use, 6 to 8 months old data. So at times older than that, few years older. So my opinion is that like they have used 2016 data over here in 2019 exam. So but still this is a pretty relevant and hot topic nowadays in macroeconomics. So this 42 February March. Okay, this, and now the questions. And question number 4, this question number 4. Okay, then from paper May June 2018 41, this efficiency thing, efficiency allocative, right, productive allocative, this efficiency, right. Question number 2 and 3, because like comparison between the different market structures has always been on the cards, right. Go through this concept of prisoner's dilemma as well, right. So question number 2 and 3 from here. Then we have done with this. Then we have October November 18 and question number 7, how developing countries differ from developed countries, this one. And question number 5, discuss whether GDP is always a good measure, right. Then you will be discussing what about HDI and etc. So question 7 and 5. Okay, that's it. That this would be enough.